rain on me, no limits. I ain't got no filter cause I'm really be spinning. I say, rain on me, no limits. Watch me bounce some motherfuckers while I'm playing, oh get it. Rain with me, rain on me, go get it. Everybody wanna play with me, no spinning. I've been looking at these bitches and I really winning. I don't know what they thinking, I think I'm winning. I've been thinking about it, I would've done. When I'm looking at you, these niggas think I'm a villain. But it really ain't like that, I'm in the village. I been trying to eat everything that I made. Everybody looking at me like I'm here to play. I be trying to put your niggas all up in your lane. Can't you see that everything else here is fucking mine? I'm taking you, now you see that I'm leaving you in your grave. I am sorry to be the one to amaze everybody looking at me like I'm sitting crazed. And I am brave to bring out the inner side of me. It'd really be a dynasty inside of me. The fighting things, trying to bring out all of the finer things. I fight my dreams, I don't know why I go and bite the things. The demons that be trying to bring me out and it's hiding me. Rain on me, no limits. Oh, I say rain on me, no limits. I tell her rain on me, no limits. I tell her rain on me, no limit. Rain on me, no limit. No limit for a nigga when I'm taking off. I want you niggas to see it, I'm never gonna be soft. When it come to this, I'm not gonna take it slow like this shit golf. I'm going up to the Mars, I'm blasting up with the bars, And I wanna drive all the fancy cars. You niggas gonna see that I'm gonna win it, I be all in. I'ma be the one that's fucking locked in. When it come to this shit, I'm really gonna box it like it was a present for myself, I don't know what I'm doing, I got my cell phone taking a selfie with a little bitty like it's helpful. I don't know what I'm doing, but I done dealt those cards. Never did I think that I would fail so hard. Looking at these niggas that I tear apart. Don't know what I'm doing, but it's terrible. Inside of my mind and I be reeling off. I say rain on me, no limits. 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 I'm tired of these niggas fucking playing with me. Why the fuck you wanna fucking see me in the grave with me? I don't know where you niggas wanting to fucking put. I'ma put you deep up in the grave on me. If you wanna lay with me, I'ma put the snake on the motherfucking side. And I'm running you over with the lawnmower in the night. I don't know why these niggas be thinking I'm a lie. I'ma get it in, I hit you nigga with a dot in the red side. I don't know what they be thinking, that nigga be red hot. Because I'm mad as fuck and I don't know why you be denied. And on my damn grind.